Hi everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. My name is Arisa. Today I'm going to work on my car. It's been a while I didn't work on my car. I was pretty busy because I just quit my full-time job and then I have to concentrate on my own business. So I want to film more videos and I want to do more work on my car. Today I got some special kit from OMD Design, which is in America. These are the parts of OMD Design original. They have machine for making these parts and they are making by themselves in factory. So this is a 13 roll arm, this is a 13 knuckle. I'm now using S14 roll arm and knuckle, so I'm going to replace it. Yes.
13ナックルだから
違うんですね。
13の5欠がないんじゃん。
はい。今日はハブがなかったのでこれにて終了です。また次回。とりあえずローアームと、テンションロッドはつけました。
女子の動画が全然変わんないですよ。なんか変わってんのが風景だけで。
Bring torque gun or torque wrench. Yeah.
I have regular torque wrench. Finally, we made it. This is front. So cool.
Seats, like.
Wow. How many did you fit?
Just 4, but you can probably.
In the back?
You can fit like 6 or 8 wheels in here for
Wow,
sure.
that's good. Yay. Crescent.
feels so good. From the Crescent Garage. My coffee is so good today. Quota Smiley, Josh 15. That's a wrap.